Did you ever try desoldering a stubborn chip on an even more stubborn board? Older hard drive PCBs absorb heat like crazy, making chip removal a real challenge. Here's the right way to do it with minimal hassle. Use low temperature melting solder paste or wire. I'm using one with a 135 degrees Celsius melting point. Apply it around the chip, then heat with 380 degrees Celsius and 30% airflow. We don't want to blow away other components. Once removed, clean the pads with solder wick and finish with isopropyl alcohol. Now it's prepped for a new chip in the next video.